It's not about me. It's all about God. Right? God's calling is about His plan for my life, not my plan. It's about His dream for my life, not my dream. It's about His purpose, not mine. And some of us, it takes us a while to come around to that idea that, this is all about God's purpose, not about mine. Sometimes we live most of our life before we figure that out. Children who are filling these blanks out, it's my prayer that you learn this very early. And that as a child, you would begin praying, Lord, what is your calling for me in my life? What is your purpose? I'd always suspected in my case that God was calling me to preach. But I don't know if you know this or not, but preaching isn't exactly the most lucrative business in the world. And when I was a young man, I thought that, God was calling me to be a broker on Wall Street because the pay is a whole lot better. And I did the stockbroker thing for 28 years. But there was always that call in my life. There was always that God's reminding me that I've got something great in mind for you, Mark. And it's not about stocks and bonds. I found that I loved it when I had the opportunity to teach Sunday school. I found I loved it when I had the opportunity to teach men on Saturday morning at breakfast. I found that every time I had the opportunity to do what I'm doing with you right now, that God's blessing on my life was just so rich, and that I loved doing it so much. It just became evident that this was God's calling. So at the age of 48, when another church gave me the opportunity to go into ministry full time, when I hung up the phone, I immediately dropped to one of my clients' chairs in my office and said, thank you, Lord, for another chance. Thank you for an opportunity to make my entire life be focused on your purpose and not on my own. One of the things that I have learned in this whole process of going from one thing to another is that I may end up having and needing a job to put food on the table, but that is not necessarily my calling. And I want you to know this too. You may have a job that puts food on the table, but it may be, but it may also not be your calling. A career makes a living, but a calling makes a life. And the two are different. Don't confuse the two. You may have a career that you need to have to make a living, to put food on the table, but it may not be your calling. What is it that God is calling you to do?